If you've listened to a podcast or watched a YouTube video recently, you've probably heard of website builders such as Squarespace, Wix, Weebly, and Shopify, among others. Now, these are tools for building websites that are usually free with the option to pay for certain features, or they have a small, affordable monthly fee. For a small business owner, these options look really tempting. They're super easy to build with, and you can have a great looking site in a short amount of time. But are these website builders the best for your business? You see, these kind of website builders come with a few downsides. For one, your search engine optimization or SEO will likely suffer. When you make a website with a website builder like these, you're usually losing out on places where a conventional website would be able to add in things like titles, meta tags, and rich snippets that can greatly improve your ranking. Without proper SEO, your website will fall down the search results and make it harder for you to reach your audience. Secondly, when you use these website builders, you don't technically own the site you create. Many free options will include URLs that feature the name of the site that you're using, such as Wix's format of username.wixsite.com/site address or Weebly's sitename.weebly.com. Free website builders will also usually have ads for their services on your website, and together these factors really cheapen your brand's image. Not really owning your website also includes the problem of migration. You see, these sites usually don't have every single ability that your business could need in the future, and you may find yourself wanting to move to a different provider which has the features you want. Unfortunately, you won't have access to the code that powers your website, so migrating can be really difficult, especially if your site's already well established. These website builders also tend to have really bad customer service, with 1 or maybe 2-star ratings on Trustpilot. Many users have found it difficult to reach out to someone who can help them when something really bad goes wrong. Now, this all sounds pretty bleak, so what can you do instead? A business needs a website in this day and age, so what's the alternative? Here at Profitability Virtual Assistants, we prefer creating websites using WordPress.org. WordPress is a free and open source content management system. There is no limit to what you can do with a WordPress-based site. In fact, over 33% of all the world's websites are built using WordPress. What makes WordPress such a versatile system is the fact it's open source, meaning it's free for anyone to use. WordPress doesn't include domain or hosting, but the software itself is completely free. What this means is that there's a lot of people out there creating free or cheap plugins for your WordPress site. Plugins function kind of like apps on your phone, and they do tasks such as handling payments, bookings, navigation bars, and tons more. Currently, there are over 54,000 plugins available via WordPress.org. WordPress is regarded as the gold standard of SEO optimization by digital marketers. The amount of customization available via WordPress is endless, including how your website appears on Google and how fast your website will load, which is a huge factor in how long someone will stay on your site. There's also a wide variety of plugins that can help improve and track your SEO. While the process of creating a site using WordPress seems daunting, WordPress has been making strides to make building websites even easier, and Profitability Virtual Assistants has made websites for a number of businesses using WordPress with fantastic results. We can even teach you how to maintain and edit your website on your own once it's been created, so you don't have to reach out to a web developer every time you need to make a simple change. Profitability Virtual Assistants has experience in creating booking services, online shops, and more. You can even buy your domain, hosting, and SSL certificate through us, making your website creation as simple as possible. If you'd like a quote on your new website, just get in touch with us by calling 1-800-VA-HIRE or message us on Facebook.